Reading of long sound words. Sometimes we need to add another letter somewhere in the word, like words with O sound as in stone or roll. For example, bone, cone, tone, zone, hole, mole, pole, roll. Words with O sound as in rose or lobe. Nose, hose, those, robe, lobe, globe. Words with O sound as in slope or boat. Rope, hope, coat. Note, vote, wrote. Words with O sound as in boat or load. Coat, goat, float. Road, toad, load. Words with O sound as in coal or oak. Coal, goal, foal, oak, soak, cloak. Words with O sound as in boast. Coast, roast, toast, boast. Good job, children!